Day 4 of South Pass City to Pinedale in the middle of the winds. It's Arrowhead Lake because it looks like an arrowhead. Here's Jackass Pass, which is the little pass before we hit the big pass, which of course is called Texas Pass. Okay, they're right where that snow is Texas Pass. Oh boy. This is what we just came down. It was only like half a mile, but it took me over an hour. And here we go, across the snow. Maybe for the last time, who knows? Texas Lake. Barren Lake. Prime trout habitat. Don't mind eating brook trout. Just, yeah, that's nice. Okay, it's time for Bumble's Trail Barometer.
All right, it's a little bit of a bittersweet day. Bitter in that we are done with the Cirque of the Towers alternate, which was just awe-inspiring. Sweet because we're done with those crazy climbs, especially that Texas Pass descent.
Excellent. And for the chairman's Daily Digest. So, because Brutality of 10 is reserved from a very special place in Colorado, today was a 9, mainly because of the annoying descent down Texas Pass, which was so steep. I had to butt slide, I don't know, a quarter of the way down. It took me a long time to get down. But the awesome factor is a 9 because everything was just gorgeous. Once you made it down the pass or got up the pass, the views were just great. The lakes were great. So we're going to miss the Cirque du Towers.